Hello! So I thought I'd show you on this video how to take off the planer element. It's dead quick, dead simple. Hopefully I'll do it justice on here. Also make sure we have a flat surface. And we've got obviously everything down. And we've got two skid steer hitches here. We'll just lift them up. And then the hydraulic lines. I have already depressurised the system in there. Just press to go. And then press a few buttons in relation to the planer. So it should all be dead simple to take off. Really quickly just take these lines off. Ooh. Find that. Oh, there's one. Stick that over there, something over there. There's a second. They come off as easy. Then you've got a little hydraulic line here as well. Ooh. Then you've got a little electrics, lights. So that's the hydraulics done, pretty simple. What's that, 59 seconds? And then skid steer hitches, that's one, that's two. Then we can jump in the cab now and then lift it all up and it's all ready to go. What I'll probably do is leave the video on so you can see it's dead easy. I'll go get your phone so you can use one. But there you go, simple as. I'll put these lift ramps up and then we're ready to go and drive on the road. That is about as simple. Does that pick up any other skid steer attachments?